Hi, dear students. Welcome to Mr. English Clips. I'm Emily.
Hi, I'm Michael. If you want to learn English quickly and easily,
This episode is just for you. Hi, Michael. Is this seat free, or can I sit here and talk with you a bit?
Sure, Emily. Please sit down. I was just resting here and enjoying the calm day.
I always feel confused here. What coffee do you usually order in the morning?
I keep it simple. A small hot coffee with milk helps me wake up and feel ready.
Sorry to ask, but do you know how I can reach the nearest bus stop?
Yes, walk straight ahead, then turn left slowly and you will see it soon.
I am trying to cook dinner, but I'm not sure which rice is good here.
This one is easy to cook and tastes nice. I buy it often for my meals.
The weather feels cool today. Do you think it might rain later this evening?
Maybe a little rain will come, but I think it will stay calm and pleasant.
Do you know if this bus goes downtown, or am I waiting at the wrong stop?
Yes, this bus goes downtown. We just need to wait a few more minutes.
I did not have much time, so I brought a simple lunch from home today.
That sounds nice. Simple food is often better and makes the break relaxing.
In my free time, I like walking and watching movies. What do you enjoy?
I enjoy reading easy books and taking photos when I have free time.
Maybe we can meet again for coffee this week if you are free one day.
That sounds good to me. Just tell me the time and I will come.
It was really nice talking with you today. I hope you have a great evening.
Thank you, Emily. I enjoyed our talk too. Take care and see you soon.
I am still learning English, so please speak slowly and help me practice more.
That's okay. We can talk every day and improve together in a fun way.
I need one ticket to the city center. Can I buy it here at this desk?
Yes, you can buy it here. Just ask for one ticket and pay there.
My friend is late again. I hope she comes soon so we can start.
Don't worry. Sometimes people are late. She'll probably arrive soon.
I work in a small office, but I am still new and learning things daily.
That's normal. Learning takes time, and you sound like you're doing well.
This place smells so good. What food do you think I should try first?
You should try the chicken sandwich. It's simple, tasty, and filling.
My family lives far away, so I call them often to feel close.
That's nice. Calls can really help you feel connected and happy.
Excuse me, could you help me find an easy English book to read?
Of course. Follow me. I know a good section for simple reading.
Hi, I just wanted to say I will be late, but I am on my way.
No problem at all. Take your time and stay safe on the road.
On weekends, I like quiet walks like this to relax my mind.
I feel the same way. Walking slowly helps me forget stress.
Thank you for spending time today. I feel more confident speaking now.
You did great today. Keep practicing and your English will grow fast.
Good morning, Michael. You look ready for the day. Did you sleep well last night?
Good morning, Emily. Yes, I slept well, and I feel fresh and ready to work today.
What do you usually do after work to relax and forget about the busy day?
I usually eat dinner, watch something light, and rest before sleeping early.
Do you think this color looks good on me, or should I try another one?
That color looks nice on you, but you can try others to feel more sure.
My goal is to speak English clearly, even if I make small mistakes.
That is a great goal. Mistakes are normal and help you learn faster.
I will practice more tonight. Thank you for always speaking kindly with me.
You are doing very well. Keep going and enjoy learning every single day.
Walking in the morning helps me feel calm and ready to speak English better.
That is a great habit. Fresh air and walking really help clear the mind.
I have a small headache today. Can you tell me what medicine is safe?
You can ask the pharmacist here. They will explain it slowly and clearly.
I like simple food that is not too spicy. What do you usually choose?
I enjoy simple meals too, especially food that feels light and fresh.
Can you help me understand this schedule? The times confuse me a little.
Sure, this line shows the start time, and this one shows when it ends.
I do not take taxis often, but they are helpful when I feel tired.
Yes, they save time and energy, especially after a long, busy day.
Do you know the Wi-Fi password here? I need to send a quick message.
Yes, it's written on the wall. I can show you where to find it.
I try to sleep early, but sometimes my mind feels very busy.
I understand that feeling. Quiet music helps me sleep better.
I want to send this letter. Is this the right place to do it?
Yes, just give it to the worker there. They will help you.
Listening to calm music helps me relax and practice English sounds.
That is a good idea. Music can really help with listening skills.
I am sending a short message. I want to write it clear and polite.
Take your time. Clear and simple words are always the best choice.
I do light exercise to stay healthy and feel more confident daily.
That is great. Moving your body helps both your mind and energy.
I am looking for easy English books. Can I borrow them today?
Yes, you can borrow them here. Just show your card to the staff.
I try to watch simple news to learn new words every day.
That is smart. News helps you learn words used in real life.
Could you please check my sentence? I want to say it correctly.
Of course. I'm happy to help you practice and feel confident.
I want to travel someday and speak English without feeling shy.
You will do it. Practice like this makes travel much easier.
Drinking tea in the evening helps me relax after a long day.
I feel the same way. It is a nice moment to slow down.
I worry about mistakes, but I know they help me learn.
Yes, mistakes are part of learning, so never feel bad about them.
This elevator is slow, but it gives me time to relax.
Slow moments are nice. They give us time to breathe.
My goal is to speak clearly and enjoy talking with people.
You're already doing well. Just keep speaking every day.
Do you have any simple plans for the weekend to relax?
I plan to rest, walk outside, and enjoy some quiet time.
Speaking English makes me nervous, but I feel better now.
That is progress. Confidence grows when you keep trying.
Can you say that again slowly? I want to understand clearly.
Sure, I will say it slowly and make it easy to follow.
I feel proud when I speak English and people understand me.
You should feel proud. Your effort is clearly paying off.
Practicing like this makes English feel more natural every day.
Yes, speaking often is the best way to improve quickly.
Thank you for all the talks. I feel ready to speak English freely.
You're welcome. Keep speaking and enjoying every conversation.